Reset on the Microsoft Surface Pro and remove the password protection. To bypass the password, start holding the left Shift key on your keyboard. While holding Shift, choose the power options and select Restart. Keep holding Shift until the Troubleshoot menu appears. Select Troubleshoot, then choose Reset this PC. Select Remove Everything. Make sure your device is plugged into a charger. Choose whether to clean the drive or just remove files. Removing just files is enough. Choose the first option. The device is preparing the operation. If you're sure you want to erase all personal data, settings, apps, accounts, and the password, select Reset. The device is performing the hard reset, which may take a few minutes or hours. Be patient and do not interrupt the process. Keep your device connected to the charger. Windows software will reinstall. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and leave a thumbs up under the video.